Hi, this is Patrick with Gettysburg Flag Works. Today I wanted to show you guys how to put together an indoor flag set, like this, when you're working with a bunch of parts, like these. Let's take a look at how it's done. This is your flag spreader, used to spread out the flag for a display. This is the cord and tassel, which gives your flag a formal look. This is a traditional perched eagle. It's cast aluminum with a gold finish, and as you can see, it has a lot of fine detail, especially through the wings. Inside the neck of the eagle is a set screw, which goes into this hole. Once you put the eagle into place, it stops it from falling off. This is an indoor US flag with embroidered stars, sewn stripes, and decorative gold fringe along the edges. This is the leather tab that you are going to attach to the pole, keeping the flag in place. Next is your flag base. It's constructed of durable ABS plastic with a bright gold finish. The bottom is covered in felt, so you don't scrape your floor. It includes a plug which you can pop out and add weight as needed. The stand includes adapter sleeves that will adapt the stand to accept different size flagpoles. Our pole is going to be 1 1/4 inch, so we're not going to use either. This is your center brass joint with the ends threaded and a beautiful high finish brass luster. Here is the eyelet for your cord and tassel and a set screw. This is what you'll attach your flag to. The leather tab attaches over the screw and stops the flag from falling down. First, slide your flag onto the pole. Pull the tab out from the sleeve and attach it to the screw. You don't need to attach the bottom, the top does all the work. Place your eagle on top of the pole. To attach your eagle permanently, thread your screw through here. Now, it's time to put on the tassel. First, find the approximate midpoint and lace it through the eyelet. Make a loop with the top and pull the two ends through. The tassel can hang on either side of the flag. Now, you screw the two ends of the pole together. For the final piece of the puzzle, I'm going to show you how to attach the flag spreader to your indoor flag set. The flag spreader itself consists of a center joint, tightening screw, two 18-inch arms with clips at the end. You're going to attach the center piece of the flag spreader a few inches above the flagpole joint itself. It's going to snap into position. You're going to tighten that center screw and extend the arms out, attaching a clip to the edge of the flag on the fringe. You do that on each side. And voila, you have a perfectly completed indoor flag set that you can be proud of. For more tips and tricks, check us out at gettysburgflag.com.